Hi, my name is Ruben Wabea. I'm a student at Florida International University. I'm majoring in electrical engineering and I'm doing my concentration in networking and telecommunications. So today we will see some aspects of networking vulnerabilities such as packet sniffing and packet analyzers. So this presentation is for educational purposes only. It's not something to use to attack other system or to collect information from other people. It's for educational use. It's for educational use personally, and you cannot, all the information that everything that you will do behind this video, I'm not responsible for it. So that being said, I am doing this video for my final presentation in ethical hiking, which is given by Dr. Alexander Pang. The name of the class is Ethical Hiking and Countermeasure, and the code is EEL 4789. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna be looking at a network. Excuse me about that. We're gonna be looking at a network, at a typical network from a house or small business, where we have routers and a couple of computers connected to the network. And those computers can be connected to cable or to the Wi-Fi and stuff. The presentation is gonna focus on this application or software called Wireshark, which is an open source code, and it's written in C++ and C. It's used to analyze all the packets that has been sent or all the traffic that has been working in a network. So we have a network with a router. All the information are being sent to the router from the computers, and then from the router is being sent to the internet. So we're gonna be looking at the information, the traffic between the router and the computers, and see which kind of information there is and what can we get from there. And we will able to do that using Wireshark. So I already have Wireshark installed on my computer, so I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I'll just click on it. It will take some time to open. And then before using Wireshark, you're gonna need to go to the command line and figure out what your IP address and the IP address of your router. So IP config will be the command that I will use on my command prompt. And I can see that the IP address of this particular computer is 10.01.04 is a private IP address, and the subnet mask. And as you can see, the gateway is a 10.01. It's the IP address of the server. And so since we know this, and we also know the IP address that we will be using to connect to the internet, and it's this one, 192.168.56.1. So it should be the IP address that we communicate to the public network. So with, I mean, the most important information are these two: the personal IP address and the IP address of the server. So I go back to Wireshark, and then I'm gonna kind of put the parameters on my filters. I will put I'm gonna put 1 minute. You know, it can take less time, but I'm just gonna put 1 minute, and to see how many packets we can collect in 1 minute. So from there, when I say start, so from here you can see all the packets that has been sent, all the traffic that is going on my network, and then we can see the source, and the destination is my IP address, and we can see, for example, this one. It's something that's it's a package that has been sent from my router to my computer, and then so I can open the header and see what more I can get from it. So that's basically it. You know, you can see the source, the destination, and the port who has been sent, the source port, and then the destination port, and the length. So we're gonna use this tool to attack, not to attack, to capture data that has been sent from my computer through to the network going to a specific website. So I'll come to the browser, and then I will go to this website. It's made for testing purposes only. So from there, the username I'll use is Congo, and then the password I will put Kinshasa. So I'm not gonna post it or log in yet. I'm just gonna wait a little bit before, because I wanna do another capture. I wanna start another capture. Okay, so we start capturing, and then I post. This has been sent, so I'll stop. So from here we should be able to see that I've posted something on the network, like a packet that has been sent from my computer to the website that I've been working on. Let's see, it should say IP address post something. So here's the packet that I was looking for. Is the source is my computer, and the destination is this IP address, and we can see the protocol. It's HTTP, and it's a post. We're gonna click on it. From there, we will open the packets and see what is inside. We have the header. From the header, we can look at when we open the hypertext, we can see the name of the website and the agent on the website, which type of which type of operating system they use, and what is the type of browser that I use here. And if I go to line base, here's the password and the username in plain text. You know, it's simple as that. So from this is a simple way, simplest way to simplest way to attack a system, to take information from a user and get their password and username. Usually, even me, sometimes I have hard time changing password or changing username. I keep on using the same username for different accounts and the same password. If, for example, I was using my Facebook account, for example, which is HTTPS, is more secure than the website that we were in, but still, if I was going through my Facebook, I was using my email address and then the same password, and use the same password to open a bank account or to open my email address. The person who's hacking me can easily get my password and duplicate that same password to open other accounts or other account that I had. So you should really be careful. You should be careful on which computer you use, because you can be just asking somebody to use the computer to do some stuff or to log into your bank account, and they can just have the Wireshark open and they collect all the data. When you're doing that, this can be running on the background and you don't know which information they can collect. And also, don't let anybody just come and use your Wi-Fi or use your Wi-Fi, because they can see all the traffic that's going on your Wi-Fi and collect information from there, know more about you and which type of website you go through, and get the password and stuff like that, and you can be hacked easily. In order to do that, you should secure your Wi-Fi. Change the password. Don't keep the password that is being given from the password that you receive from Comcast or from your Wi-Fi provider. You should just change it, find your own password. And also, don't try to make your Wi-Fi being how can I say it, to be not too bright. If, for example, your passwords go up to the street, somebody can just be running or walking down the street and connect through your network. So you don't need to be connected like that. And I think we kind of saw what's going on here. And the most important things is to be secure. And I repeat again, this videos is for educational purposes only. It's not something that you should take to hack or to do other malicious things with it. If you do so, I'm not responsible for anything. Thank you for your attention and for your time. And God bless you.